This is going to be a video tutorial on how to find your browser's version in the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To check which version of the Brave web browser that you're running, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to the bottom to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left side, if you go all the way down to the bottom, it says About Brave and it says the version that you're running. If you click on that, it will automatically run an update on your browser. It'll check for updates. I'm going to click on it. Right up here, it just checked for an update. It says Brave is up to date. Tells you the version again right here. That is how to find your browser's version in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.